In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated welcome email in Mailchimp. A great welcome email sets the tone for your relationship with new subscribers, so let's make it quick, clear, and on brand. Start by heading to Mailchimp and navigating to the Customer Journeys area. This is where Mailchimp keeps its automation tools, and it's the home base for setting up sequences that run for you in the background. Once you're there, look for the Create button, usually near the top right. Give that a click to open your options. From the Creation menu, choose Automation and then Create Journey. Journeys are Mailchimp's way of describing an automated series of steps that fire based on a trigger, like when someone joins your audience. On the template screen, scroll down to browse the pre-built options. You'll see several recommendations for common goals. Keep scrolling until you find the Welcome Series template. This template is designed to greet new subscribers right away, and it's a solid starting point if you're new to automation. Select the Welcome Series and then choose Use this flow. Mailchimp may prompt you to confirm which audience the journey should use and to give your journey a name. Pick the audience that will receive your welcome email and name the journey something memorable for your team. You'll now be in the visual builder. You'll see a trigger at the top, typically when someone is added to your audience, followed by one or more email steps and optional delays. This is where you tailor the experience. Click into the first email to customize it. Update the subject line and preview text to be warm and straightforward. Set your from name and reply to address to something recognizable, and personalize the content with merge tags like first name so each message feels individual. Keep your message focused. Welcome them. Set expectations about what they'll receive, and offer one clear next action, such as visiting a Getting Started page or claiming a simple incentive. You can adjust the timing inside the flow so the first email sends immediately and any follow-ups wait an appropriate amount of time. Keep branding consistent by using your logo, colors, and a clean layout. Add alt text to images for accessibility and keep your copy concise so the call to action stands out. For deliverability, avoid overly heavy image-only designs and keep your tone friendly and human. Before you wrap up, review the entire journey in the builder, use the preview tools to check how the email renders, and proofread your links and personalization. Once everything looks right, your automated welcome email is ready to greet every new subscriber with a great first impression.